Good morning, my classmates and teachers. Today I'm going to present my speech with a topic that hunting should not be made illegal. What do you guys what is the idea that you hear hunting this word? Inhumanity, brutal, or violence? Actually, hunting is not that bad if it is under complete regulations. Just like and in Taiwan, only Aborigines can legally hunt. According to the Aboriginal Basic Law, number 19, it says that Aborigines can legally hunt in Aboriginal areas that's set by the government. And also, there is a regulation says that due to the ceremony and necessity of life, Aborigines can apply for carrying and making hunting guns and knives. So I think hunting is not really a bad thing if it is under a complete regulation. First of my argument that I agree to hunt is hunting can help to balance the amount of animals in an area. Based on the ecology class in high school, we have learned about ecological balance, which means that if there is a species that doesn't have any natural enemies and have strong reproductive ability, that their large amounts might cause great problems to the environment. For example, in 1859, there is a kind of rat in Australia which can reproduce 184 babies in only 1.5 years. They have been eating crops, threatening animals, and polluting waters, which cause a great environmental problems in Australia. Second, an island in Ecuador has also suffered from a kind of rat, which can eat almost everything in the natural world. They are threatening to birds and lizards and some original plants on the island. And they even cause 8 kinds of birds that become endangered on the island. So both of these 2 countries have made it legal to kill those animals, which has made the environment lose its ecological balance. And second, I think hunting is a way to see survival of fittest in the natural world. Those animals that are captured by the hunters are more likely to be the weaker one among others. Just like the deers that are captured by tigers are the one that run slower than the others in the natural world. And the third point, I think hunting can help to give people some foundation to live in wild, just like the ancestors did. We can't be sure that if one day we were lost in forest or not. So within the hunting skill, we could be more likely to live. The way to train this ability is to set a legal hunting area like the Aborigines have in Taiwan. Nantou government has set a legal hunting area for them. Nantou government had set a legal hunting area for the Aborigines to hunt. So I think governments can take it as a model for all Taiwan Taiwanese people to hunt in those areas. It can help to build people's wilderness survival skill and also to regulate the hunting quality in Taiwan. However, there are still some people that think hunting is too violent to accept because it is similar to murder. One of the reasons that they don't agree with hunting is that they think hunting can cause animals become extinct. For example, there is a kind of goat that they live in very high of Himalayas. They have a very soft fleece, and those products that made by the fleece are very soft and very warm. So the hunters keep capturing those goats and cause them become endangered. Second, they think some of the people that hunt for profits but not for the necessity. Seals in Canada is facing this kind of problem. The hunters keep killing a large amount of seals in Canada, which is under the Canadian government's permission. They kill them for selling their leathers, and it is a very cruel activity that some animal protection organizations that they refuse to use the Canadian products to express their disagreement. But these two examples are related to business. Those hunters that chase for the benefits from animals, those hunters that chase for the benefits from animals are the ones that we should be aware to regulate. However, there are in some countries they have the policy to use. They have to apply license